Nature, Florida. Nature, Florida. You've seen it here first. Here is a native species of Florida. It's called the cranka bird. See how it perches on its skinny legs? Look at the look, she's being attacked by a leaf. Wait, I wanted to go to the maple trail, just a little bit. Oh, smidge. No, it's right here.
It says high mosquitoes.
Well, we could differ in.
No, I already feel myself being bitten by mosquitoes.
I haven't been bitten once.
You go first and I'll go second.
All right, come on.
Already this.
Take home video. We're going to go. Turn it the other way. No.
Oh, I will turn it. This is the way I had it.
Completely upside down. Come while we go to the Maple Trail. It's this way. I don't have any underwear on, so don't forget my Google.
I am exhausted.
Ridiculous. We've only walked a drop. Stop tilting it.
I will tilt it when I want to. Oh, it's gone.
What do you mean it's gone? Is it still recording?
Yes.
No close-ups, please.
Oh, all right. I'll speak to you later.
Who are you talking to?
To my sister. Bye.
As you can see, there's a natural flowing area of water here. And if you look down, you can see many, many fish. If you drop my phone, those are people.
Thieves.
As you can see, the water is crystal. If someone watching that is going to get seasick. Okay, we will now enter. Your finger is over the fucking thing.
He's
my cameraman is so fantastic.
Talk about crack.
As you can see, the little fish are swimming towards me because I have a golden aura.
Spit in the water.
You have a brown aura. As you can see, the nature trail. If you stop zooming in and out on me, Mira, get that spider. It's eating its dinner.
Oh, throw something at it.
No, listen to her.
So it can move. Mira.
They don't move that quickly.
Yes, they do. I've done it before.
Now, as you can see, we're going to take the maple walk just for a few moments. Come into the nature walk. There's no gratuitous shots of you. I'll take over now. As we go into the
You
nature
go
trail.
first.
As you can see, Martuca is very nature enriched. Mira, thin legs, egret. We will now go into the maple walk.
Wet with higher mosquito activity, follow trail markers, white.
I think that's enough for the nature trail. Okay, this is Natura John and Scowl Face Marta signing off, and the Fern Forest in southern Broward County.